Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll tell you that how you can download and install Discord app in your PC or laptop. So let's start our video. So as you can see that I have opened Google Chrome here, and here you have to type download Discord app, and you have to click this first link. You will get this in the description box also. So I have Windows in my PC, so I will click this and your Discord app will download in a few seconds. So as you can see that our Discord app is downloaded. I will click to open it and it will open in a few seconds. So our Discord app is opened, and now you have to sign up and go chatting. So now I'll tell you that how you can open Discord in your browser. So you have to simply go on a new tab and type discord.com, and Discord's official website will open, and here you have to click open Discord in your browser. So you can continue here also, but I would suggest that you can download the app because it works more efficiently. So guys, I hope that today's video was helpful, and if you have not subscribed my channel, go hit the subscribe button and bell icon for more videos. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.